Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with ACN. I'm at Knott's Berry Farm right now, where rumor is Xcelerator might soft open today. So I woke up early and I'm here. Let's go over there. At the moment, this is what it's looking like over here. They got the Christmas decorations up, which is nice. Yeah, hopefully we see a reopening here. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, well the train is in the station and maintenance is looking it over, so that's always a good sign. I'm sure they're gonna cycle it here soon. There's also employees all over the place, a lot. So it definitely looks like if they get the thumbs up that it might soft open. We'll see here. I'm thinking, I probably haven't been on this in like 4 years, because even prior to it closing, every time I would come here, it'd be a really long line, and I never wanted to wait for it. That's how spoiled I am, right? But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to it. All right, it's about to go. Absolutely beautiful. You know, I wasn't feeling like getting up this morning, but I have a feeling it's gonna be worth it. All right, just coming back into the station now. Really is one of the more beautiful coasters that I've been on. I might be a little bit biased, but it's definitely themed very nicely, especially for a Cedar Fair park. Excuse me, Six Flags park. And they wasted no time and launched it again. Almost thought this would be a rollback there. And it's going again. Too funny. As you can see, it says Knott here on my shirt, and there's a giant Xcelerator logo on the back. I've had like 4 or 5 people come up to me, ask me if it's gonna open, thinking that I work here. So maybe I'll stop standing next to the employees. Oh, barely. And there's somebody on it. Yes. First human I've seen on Xcelerator in a couple years now. You lucky son of a bitch. A human, finally! Well, lucky you! Awesome! That is great to see. Oh my God, I have such a big smile on my face seeing that. We're getting really, really close here to opening. There's a line behind me, so I better get in that before I lose out.
Hold on, I'm coming.
All right, got all the employees going back there now. This is a good sign, and people are starting to line up, even though it's officially not opening, but you know, we know better.
Let's take it off.
And the line is no more. They dispersed the line. It was making its way all the way over to Coast Rider. And
Thank you guys.
oh, I guess they were blocking the restrooms. So yeah,
Thank you guys.
the very critical restrooms were being blocked, so they dispersed the line. But that's okay. I'm not going anywhere. Still going to be one of the first riders. Fingers crossed. I keep saying that. This reminds me of the Navy. Hurry up and wait. But there's a lot of important people here. So I still have high hopes for today. All right. And this time it's empty. Oh, it is crawling over the top still. So lucky to live in Southern California where it's November and we have weather like this. Just stopped to get some food and it appears to be good timing because there's like no activity going on and it looks like a bunch of the workers just left. As I was eating it, just tested 4 times back to back to back to back. So this is looking pretty promising now. There it goes. Empty. Empty. Oh, it's crawling over the top.
There's people on this one. You're gonna run it.
Nice to see people on it.
There's 3, right? Yeah, there was 4 on there. Like 4? No, there was 5.
All right, got some riders in the front now. And people are lining up, but I made some friends that are up at the front, so there's that. Are they doing it? Is it actually going to happen this time? What?
He's gonna walk us.
What? Oh my, what?
Let's go!
I was not expecting this.
It's time.
Okay.
Woohoo!
It's happening. Well, our butts are not in the seat yet, but oh, this is awesome. This almost takes me back 20 something years. What, 21 years when it first opened? Wow. This is so cool.
Waiting for this public train. Let's freaking go.
Yeah, first public train. How about that?
Xcelerator will be in motion with the social on board. Stand back,
Yes. It's going! Oh yeah. Oh, the sun's in my eye. You really can't see what I'm doing here. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah.
You're trying to figure it out.
Yeah. Awesome.
We went to this place.
Yes.
Let's freaking go.
Yes.
We riding in the front?
Yeah, we're still doing the front, right? You guys,
Let's
you
go.
guys are doing the back.
Let's go.
All right.
Let's go. I am freaking out.
Should we?
Go right.
Oh,
Oh crap.
no.
Did we split?
Oh, yeah. I just didn't want to like think that we're trying to like run past you or anything. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Let's go.
Wrapped around your six-pack. Our pit crew will come by and check your belt for you.
Can I grab any weight right here, please?
Most definitely.
Thank you.
They will bring
Oh,
the wrap around for
yes.
you, nice and snug.
Yes,
When
yes,
you
yes,
get
yes.
back, you're going to be begging for something to hold on to. So grab onto the bar in front of you and don't let go.
Loading gate will be
While the
opening.
pit crew
Stand back
finishes
next
clearing up the rest of the riders, make sure you're ready to go. Our drones
I
will
can't believe it's
fire
about
up.
to happen. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo!
You will not be able to.
Is it just like that? We're getting on? What?
Hey, can you put my glasses?
Yeah, I will. Oh my God, this is what?
No way.
Okay. Right. Yep, definitely. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God, that was freaking incredible. I was waiting since 10 in the morning and it wasn't feeling like it was gonna open today. There was a false alarm with the line that formed and then they dispersed the line. And then there was a short line that was forming again. And then all of a sudden they opened up the line and we're going through the line and we get into the station and I'm kind of thinking, okay, it'll probably be like another cycle or two. And then they're waving us on the coaster. Oh my God, you know, it feels like 2002 and I was riding it for the first time again. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get back in line again. It appears to have gone down again. It's been, I don't know, 5-10 minutes now since it's gone. Lined all the way back there, probably to the entrance at this point.
That's my left arm. I came out.
Let's see what happens.
Oh my goodness, finally.
It barely made it.
Look at the card. Look at the front. Look at the front of it.
Okay, hopefully that was just a temporary delay, and after this cycle, or maybe one more, we'll be back on it.
It's a guy. It's a guy. It's a guy.
All right, just waiting for it to launch, and if you look over here, you can kind of see how long the line is now. I'm just gonna do this one more time, back row, and then go ahead and get home so I can edit this and get it up. And just like that, there's another announcement that it's experiencing a technical delay at the moment. Yay! Well, you know, soft opening, first time back, first day back. Well, I guess a lot of people are leaving, but I'll wait it out for a little bit longer here, see how it goes. I've waited this long, so might as well, right? And they're testing it again. Oh, Intamin. Oh, Intamin. So problematic. waiting on her for a rollback. All right, loading gates are opening. That's a good sign. Well, let's see. Yes, finally, riders are boarding again. So close, so close. Brake fins are down. Yeah! Woo! So awesome to see people on the ride again. So after getting back up and going on one cycle with riders, the ride is down again for, I think it's the third time since I rode the first time. This is brutal. And now they, I'm getting pointed at. They have employees that are on the ride.
Keep your arms and hands inside the car. Your car will be accelerating at 80 miles per hour in about 2 seconds. First high bank turn. Second high bank turn. Smooth stop. Wait until the gates open.
Did I mention that the ride is down again? About 2 hours ago that I got my first ride in, and well, now I wait. All right, more employee rides, yay! Kind of.
This baby takes off. You should be looking at the drag lights ahead of you. And because we don't want any trouble with the law, you better buckle up. Put the seatbelts around you and insert the.
They're like, hurry up, get on it before it breaks down again.
Firmly on the strap until you're secure.
For the fourth time.
Make sure
Yeah.
the belt is across your lap. It won't do.
Somebody's like, I'm not scheduled tomorrow. I gotta get on it today. Okay.
Crew will come by and check your belt for you.
Yay!
It's time.
Absolutely love how it just rockets out of the station. Oh yeah. It's gonna be dark by the time they get on. And now they bring in more employees for rides as we wait. I mean, I'm happy I got my first ride in at least. Oh wait, no, they just, I guess they're just warming up the seats for us. Okay, now the employees are back. False alarm. Let's see if we can get on after this one, maybe? Okay, employees are back. Maybe we'll get to ride now. Let's see. Well, if I wait any longer here, it's going to be dark, so I'll get a night ride on. So maybe that's a benefit of waiting all this time. Anyway, no, seriously, I'm really happy to finally get back on Xcelerator. First ride was awesome. And I'm gonna just try to get on the back row this time. All right. So right after those employees rode, they made another announcement that the ride is down again. This is, I don't know, 6-7 times since I've been in line to get on for my second ride. Never seen anything like this before, but I don't know. It's been down for a long time, and they're working out the kinks. So yeah. Anyway, it was about to launch. The guy had thumbs up and everything, and then put that down, and now there's a guy looking at the launch mechanism.
But don't let it get you. Your hot rod will be
Good times.
80 miles per hour in a bus.
The majority of the people waiting in front of me have they've bailed.
It's time to get snug in your ride.
I don't blame
Hey
them.
man, put your feet.
Well, now they've cleared us out of the station, and so I'm further back in line now. Not sure what the difference is with how when it was down before, but anyway, here I am waiting, and oh wow, look, I think it's about to go.
You want to just go on Ghost Riders?
Ah, maybe not.
Just go on Ghost Riders. Oh yeah. That's our turn.
What the hell?
Run over! Run over!
All right, here it goes with employees again, same employees. They're probably just cycling it with a full train for weight reasons. Yeah. It's going over the top a lot faster than it was earlier, so that's good to see. Definitely need some time to warm up. All right. Maybe we're next. And the wait continues. They did 2 cycles with employees, then 1 without, and now they are about to cycle it again with some employees. Yeah.
This is employee day.
Well, hey, I'm getting some B-roll right now. How about that? That'll work. Okay, now it's team meeting time or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. No. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Are they going to let us straight in? Oh, what? Oh, nice. Look at this. Oh, are we like straight? Oh. Just like that. Wow. Are you guys doing here?
Up here.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. Oh my God, like I can't believe how fast that happened. All of a sudden, like we're waiting and waiting and waiting. It's been like 3.5 hours, and then they're like, oh yep, go back in the station. And I expected just to be waiting in the station for a little bit longer. And no, it was just directly on the train. Back row, so good. The sun is setting. Beautiful day, such a fun ride. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to come back here soon. What a day it's been. 2 rides on Xcelerator. Really can't get much better than that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll be back here soon. Have a good one. Bye.